Hello, super learners! Welcome to the Modal Verbs Superpowers Party. Today, we're going to discover 4 tiny but powerful words in English: can, must, should, and may. These are called modal verbs. They give your sentences superpowers. Ready? Let's fly into action. What are modal verbs? Modal verbs are helping verbs. That means they don't work alone. They help other verbs. They tell us about ability, what we can or can't do; rules, things we must or mustn't do; advice, what we should or shouldn't do; possibility, things that may or may not happen. Isn't that cool? Let's meet each superhero. First up, can. Ability. For example, I can ride a bike. That means I have the ability to do it. But wait, what if I talk about something I cannot do? Easy, just add not. For example, I can't fly like a bird. See? Can becomes can't. Next, the bossy superhero. Must rules obligation. For example, you must stop at the red light. That's a rule you have to follow. But sometimes we use the negative. You mustn't cross at red. Remember, must is all about rules and obligations. It's like a superhero traffic cop. Now comes the kind and caring superhero, should advice. Example, you should eat vegetables. It's good advice. But negative? You shouldn't eat too much candy. Too much sugar is not good for you. And now, the magical superhero, may. Possibility, permission. For example, you may play outside. That means you have permission. But if permission is not given, we say, you may not go out when it's dark. May is about possibilities or asking for permission. Like saying, may I please have an ice cream? Super learners, it's time for our supermodal quiz. I'll read a sentence with a missing word, and you shout the right modal verb. Ready? 1. U-E, wear a seatbelt in the car. Yes, must. You must wear a seatbelt. It's a rule. 2. We swim very well. That's right. Can. I can swim very well. It's an ability. 3. You quite crowd eat too much junk food. Correct. Shouldn't. You shouldn't eat too much junk food. Now you know the power of modal verbs. Can, must, should, and may. They help us talk about ability, rules, advice, and possibility in both positive and negative ways. Here's your challenge. Write one funny modal verb sentence in the comments. For example, my dog can sing a song. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and keep using your grammar superpowers. Bye, super learners!